Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to do a little test with some Android smartwatches that we have here in our channel. We have LAM 11, we have the LF25, KC05, LAM 10 and LAM 9. We're going to do a YouTube video challenge. We're going to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, full brightness and YouTube in the same time. So we're going to see which one will last the most. Let's go ahead, make these ready for this challenge, turn on all of these things that I said, and we are going to test them. As you can see, every one of these smartwatches is at 100%. You can see all of them are 100%, so this is a fair test. Let's go ahead, open the YouTube, open some of our videos, and let's go ahead see what we got. So you saw in the stopwatch, it's been an hour since we've been testing these smartwatches. We stopped the testing. Now we can see how much battery they used. We have the LAM 11 here with 16% of battery. That's not too bad. It wasted 40% of battery, but that's not so bad. We had the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and brightness on. So you can see that's not so bad. We have now here the LAM 10. Let's go ahead and see what we got from the LAM 10. We have here the percentage of battery in the taskbar, 73%, and the LAM 10 is keeping so good the battery. Next we have the KC05. Let's see what we had here. And in the KC05 we have 79, and this is the most that we got until now. Next we have the LF25 with 48%, and we have the LAM 9 in the end with 76%, which is not so bad for a smartwatch. So far the KC05 is winning for the battery. You have 79% of battery in the KC09, which is the best for these smartwatches. And the weakest is the LF25 with 48%. So you can see this is a little test that we've done. We've come to the conclusion that which one is better from the battery. Some of you all asked for this test, so here we go. This was all that we can test in this video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.